In today's video, I have broken down 5 of the most popular and life-changing self-hypnosis audios that actually work. All of these programs are affordable, easy to use, and have been tried and tested by yours truly. Not only that, but they all have a great track record when it comes to customer satisfaction and, most importantly, results. Shall we get into it? Let's go. 1. Hypnosis Live. Founded by the self-help and personal development company Inspire 3, Hypnosis Live offers some of the highest quality MP3 tracks available online today. Each track has been specially recorded and produced by a hypnotherapist and NLP, neuro-linguistic programming, practitioner, Julian Amos. Julie has a soft, soothing voice as well as a charming British accent which helps you to settle into a warm and comfortable trance. Her specialty is her follow-along exercises which help to guide you into a heightened state of awareness and rewrite your subconscious mind. Click here to listen to a preview and discover the sense of warmth Julie creates within the Hypnosis Live audios. With a wide variety of over 200 different downloads, Hypnosis Live covers just about everything. Each track, or session, is 40 minutes long and is available to download either individually or as a 4-track bundle. They also offer a 24-hour deal on their homepage where you can get a 75% off discount. Great if you want to grab yourself a bargain. What makes Hypnosis Live a great choice? NLP, neuro-linguistic programming, and follow-along exercises to easier put you in a trance-like state of consciousness. 14-day money-back guarantee. Offers a wide range of different hypnosis tracks. Deal of the day specials. Professional production and high-quality soundtracks. Simple, effective and quick downloads. Fast response time. Soothing and calm voiceover tracks. Bundle packages mean great value for money. I have used both the Law of Attraction bundle and Total Focus audios and have definitely noticed an increase in my manifestation abilities as well as my overall focus when getting stuff done. The support is helpful and the process is simple. Just choose a track or bundle and instantly download it to your computer. From there you can upload it to your phone or device. Hypnosis Live offers some of the best self-hypnosis audios around. I highly recommend you give them a go. Take a look at what they have to offer in the description below. 2. Hypnosis Downloads. Founded by Uncommon Knowledge, Hypnosis Downloads have a massive range of over 1,300 plus MP3s for you to choose from. According to its website, the company has been developing hypnosis tracks since 1995 and has served over 600,000 downloads. On top of that, they have trained 24,000 people in face-to-face events and treated over 5,000 patients in personal therapy. The wide variety of audios cater to very specific needs and are split into 40 categories. Each audio download is roughly 30 minutes long and can be either downloaded or bought in a physical CD format. The soundtracks were written, recorded and produced by 4 clinical hypnotherapists: Mark Tyrrell, Roger Elliott, Joseph Cow, Rebecca Hall. Each hypnotherapist brings their own unique expertise to the track, and this is what makes them so unique. Joseph and Rebecca create well-formulated and powerful scripts. Roger and Mark then narrate and produce them. Roger has a sharp Scottish accent and Mark has a clear and well-mannered British accent. Their words are easy to understand, which is effective in putting you into deeper states of consciousness. Also, they offer a preview of their voices on each product page. What makes Hypnosis Downloads a great choice? Tracks for very specific problems, for example, stop nighttime eating, remember your phone, stop nervous smiling, etc. offers a 90-day money-back guarantee. Tracks are developed by 4 trained and professional hypnotherapists. High-quality downloads. Helpful support team. Company stands by strong ethics and morals to ensure trustworthy products. Offers membership programs, courses, and other additional resources. Great reputation for creating successful hypnosis programs since 1995. Uncommon Knowledge. The creators know exactly what they're doing when it comes to providing the highest quality hypnosis programs. What makes this such a trusted company is their commitment to their customers. They are ahead of the game in terms of research, knowledge, practices, and utilize well-trained professionals. Uncommon Knowledge have been around for a really long time. Their credibility speaks for itself. Just take a look at their website, which is filled with positive testimonials. That being said, if you're looking for something a little more specific, I recommend you take a look at Hypnosis downloads down below. 3. eHypnosis. Created by Greater Minds, eHypnosis offers a range of over 250 self-hypnosis tracks for you to download. eHypnosis also have tracks on mindset, success, phobias, emotional health, etc. Each audio hypnosis can be instantly downloaded or upgraded to CD for an additional cost. There are also 3 purchase options to choose from. Standard version, X1 30-minute hypnosis session. Advanced version, X1 60-minute hypnosis session plus 4 bonus audio add-ons, to make the process more effective. Bonus add-ons. Binaural tones, special sound wave frequencies that induce your mind into brainwave states that relax you and make you more susceptible to hypnotic suggestion and transformation. Stereo imaging, a 3D sound experience that helps to get deeper and longer-lasting results. Future pacing, a form of NLP, neuro-linguistic programming, that transmits your consciousness into a future situation to help you cope with emotional triggers to come. Analog marking, trigger words formed within unrelated sentences. This is another NLP technique that uses word cues to override the conscious mind and make an impact directly on the subconscious. Complete version includes both advanced and standard versions plus bonus daytime affirmation version. The genius behind these tracks is none other than Dr. Steve G. Jones. Dr. Jones is a world-renowned hypnotherapist, NLP practitioner, and wealth coach with over 15+ years of experience. He has a calm American accent and applies exclusive techniques to help you achieve any life goals. I've taken one of Dr. Jones' courses in the past called Total Money Magnetism and wrote a review about it here. Dr. Steve G. Jones works with high-end clients such as movie stars, celebrities, and all-star athletes that pay up to $25,000 per session. Luckily, the tracks in eHypnosis are far cheaper, but his high-end status and highly sought-after hypnotherapy sessions make him a trustworthy source to help transform your life. What makes eHypnosis a great choice? Narrated and produced by a world-renowned hypnotherapist, who has helped hundreds of thousands of people. Offers soundwave add-ons that create lasting results. 14-day money-back guarantee. Easy to use. Different versions to suit more individual needs. Unique NLP methods. With the soundwave add-ons and NLP techniques, eHypnosis is supercharged for those who struggle to get into a receptive mode as well as those who worry that hypnosis won't work on them. Take a look at eHypnosis down below. 4. Hypnotic World. Hypnotic World is a massive resource center for both hypnotherapists and hypnosis clients alike who are wanting to learn more about self-hypnotic suggestions. The site is constantly being updated with scripts, books, blog posts, and other training resources to continually grow and expand your knowledge around this topic. As well as the extra resources, Hypnotic World provides a huge selection of over 500 different hypnosis tracks. Each track is around 30 minutes long and can be purchased either as a singular session or within a bundle of 4 that will be emailed to you for instant download. The voices behind the hypnosis tracks are qualified therapists Faith Wadman and Stephen Armstrong, who are both credible professionals that have 50 years of experience in self-development resolving problems between the two of them. What makes Hypnotic World a great choice? 30-day money-back guarantee. Safe hypnosis tracks for children. Clear and calmly spoken hypnotherapists. High-quality scripts. Professionally developed. Added bonus resources that are regularly updated. High quality and easy to understand. Awesome customer service. Offers a membership program. Extra courses, books, and bonus tools. With an abundant amount of tracks, Hypnotic World offers a massive variety of sessions to choose from. They also offer a range of tracks for common problems in children. This is great news for parents looking for help to dissolve their children's common habits, such as thumbsucking or bedwetting. Each MP3 has been specially tested, written and produced so that you can see significant results. They also provide extra training, books, scripts, and courses to become a qualified hypnotherapist yourself. Take a look at what Hypnotic World have to offer below. 5. Hypnosis Network. This website offers only 29 programs, but Hypnosis Network prides themselves having the utmost quality in their products. Each program contains up to 7 CDs that complement the process of rewriting your subconscious mind, depending on the scale of the problem or the desire you wish to achieve. Each track is developed by specialized hypnotherapists and medical professionals that hold either a PhD or terminal degree within the psychology field. They also do effective reviews of the journals, therapist background checks, and ensure that each product is safe, backed by research, and is useful for the customer. They certainly don't muck around when it comes to making sure they have the best quality self-hypnosis tracks. What makes Hypnosis Network a great choice? Available in CD or to download. State licensed professionals. 365-day money-back guarantee. High-quality production. Good price. Specialized therapists for optimum results. Learn more about Hypnosis Network below. Well, there you have it. The best and most popular hypnosis programs online today. I have no doubts that you will find the right hypnosis program for you somewhere within the list if you haven't already. So all that's left now is to get excited. Finding the hypnosis tracks that are right for you is the first big step when it comes to reprogramming your mind and transforming your life. I know for me the changes in my mindset as well as my physical reality have been huge after using many of these tracks. Consistency and an open mind is key to getting the results you want. I have included each program down below in the description as well as the discounts available. Be sure to check them out to get the best hypnosis tracks available. Thanks for watching.